My question is that if religion stops us from doing bad and encourages us to do good, without having a religion, we can also do good and avoid bad things. So, why is it important to have a religion?
You see, as far as morals are concerned, an atheist can have good morals, right? He can have the quality of speaking truth all the time, whereas some believers or the followers of the religion do not speak truth. They sometimes are liars. So in that way, that atheist is better than those believers, right? But at the same time, these atheists believe that all the good morals came to this world or were introduced to the humanity through messengers of God, through the prophets, right? So they admit that the good morals were given to us by prophets. So that shows that it is the religion which has brought good morals in this world for human beings, right? Now the question is, if a non-believer or an atheist and person who does not believe in Allah Ta'ala have good morals and do good deeds, why should we believe in religion? So Allah Ta'ala says that this life, this worldly life is not the only life. There is life after death. And we believe, and that is what all the prophets told us, that after this life there is an eternal life. Right? Allah Ta'ala says, when you do good deeds in this world, you are performing your duties, discharging your duties you owe to your Creator, to Allah Ta'ala. And you are discharging your duties you owe to your fellow beings, then Allah Ta'ala will reward you in the hereafter. See? So this is why we say that not only good morals, but a true believer, a follower of the religion, should also discharge his duties towards Allah Ta'ala and do according to what Allah Ta'ala has taught us and perform our obligations toward Allah Ta'ala. And in the Holy Quran, Allah Ta'ala says that the purpose of your life is to bow before Allah and worship Allah. And at the same time, Allah Ta'ala says that it is not going to benefit Allah Ta'ala if you worship Allah. It is going to benefit you, that Allah Ta'ala will reward you in this world and the hereafter. Okay? And secondly, Allah Ta'ala says that you perform your duties towards your fellow beings. And that will also be rewarded in the hereafter. An atheist, a non-believer, only gets his reward in this world. But a believer gets his reward here and the hereafter. So that is the benefit of following the religion.